Which project would you like to create? How do you think this exhibition will benefit the students? What surprised you most?
become a scientist.
सोच काफी विकसित हो रही है.
What inspired you to choose this project?
I want to represent India.
Students will get their own identity cards.
To the chemical energy that would be futuristic related to development of really in the defense sector.
Allow the plants to take up the nutrients. Your hand will not withdraw.
इनके हुनर को देख करके हम आश्चर्यचकित हैं.
हम लोग भी ऐसा बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे. बहुत कुछ यहाँ पर सीखा.
Good morning, Father. Welcome to the science exhibition. I would like to ask you some questions. First, what impressed you most about the students' projects this year?
Good morning, everyone. I am happy to see their participation. Many students have participated in this very enthusiastically and with much curiosity. What impressed me most is their willingness to take part in this and their cooperation and their teamwork. They have related their knowledge with practical things in the society and the environment around them.
If you were a student today, which project would you like to create?
Sure. That's a very interesting question. Surely I would create some projects with the use of AI and how environment can be protected, ecosystem can be protected, how air can be kept pure, how our groundwater level can be kept up. That would be my interest if I were a small young boy today.
what message would you like to give to the participants of this event?
My message to all these young budding scientists of St. Xavier's High School, students primary as well as of high school, that they all may have a bright future. And not only in science and technology and innovation, but in human science, life science subjects and arts, human life subjects, because everything is connected to society, everything is connected to your life, our life. So, thinking creatively, thinking with innovation, imagination is very important. Let students kindly imagine, think out of the box, think broadly, so that some new useful things will come out of your hard work and imagination. And I wish all the best to teachers and students who are participating in this science exhibition 2025.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to the science exhibition. As a vice principal, how do you think this exhibition will benefit the students in their future?
It is going to benefit them a lot. In fact, this is related to science. It is one of the sphere where student can excel their talents. And our purpose is to have all-round development. We have elocution, we have sports, we have quiz, different types of activities we have. And this is also one of the activities. And this activity will help them to grow with scientific temper.
How would you describe this exhibition in just one sentence?
This is outcome of hard work of our students, and it is outcome of the concepts that students grow with.
Thank you, sir, for answering the questions. What surprised you most about the students' creativity this year?
Okay, I think one of the most surprising elements of creativity that I witnessed here is innovation. I think one of the sections of class 11, the model that they have displayed, they have claimed that nowhere else in the world we can find that model. And I think that shows that our students are brimming with creativity and talent, and all they need is a platform to showcase that.
What's the one skill you wish every student takes away from this exhibition?
Originality, innovation, and creativity. Originality being the most important one.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for answering the
How
question.
do you think the children have done this time in the science model making?
I am really impressed, and hats off to the parents who have cooperated so much to the children and even to us. So hats off to them.
They are learning about the aspect of science. The students are motivated, and they are making their own models, many models related to artificial intelligence also it is there. So like this way means for their future they are preparing themselves. Might be they can become a scientist, or they can become a very big engineer. So it's a blessing from our side that all these students should excel in their lives, especially in the scientific field.
प्रोजेक्ट देखकर लग रहा है कि बच्चों की सोच काफ़ी विकसित हो रही है और ये लोग नए नए कार्यों को इधर प्रदर्शित कर रहे हैं, तो ये अच्छी बात है.
They are trying new things. Variety of projects you can see. They are using sensor and many anti-sleep alarm and all. New innovations, new ideas they are bringing up, which is absolutely fantastic and fascinating for me to see.
So, what is your name?
Sir, Shivanjali Singh.
And what is this project about?
Sir, rainwater harvesting.
So, what inspired you to choose this project?
Nowadays we see that water is not coming to our houses for some places like Delhi and Mumbai.
How will this help in restoring water?
When we will harvest our rainwater, then the harvested water we can use it for the further uses, yeah, like gardening, etc.
Hey, what is your name?
Ritisha Raj.
If you could showcase this project anywhere in the world, where would it be and why?
So, if I get this chance, I would like to showcase this in an exhibition where different countries represent themselves. I want to represent India there.
So, what is about your project that will wow the world?
So, my project is about different techniques of farming. These techniques, some techniques use soil to grow crops and some do not use soil. The work with soil does, nutrient solution do that in soilless techniques.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kushal Prasad and this project is all about sustaining humanity. First, we have waste management system. Then it's about renewable energy. And these will be the effects. What it will have an effect on the cities and on forests and wildlife and nature. The nature will be very clean and it will thank us and it will be very useful to us. And it is about the society here. We have grown trees and this will make us very connected to nature.
Good morning, sir. I am Asir Sanbari from class 11E. This project is basically an RFID attendance system. Suppose, sir, this is a CCTV camera installed on the school front gate, and each student will get their own identity cards, and this is RFID sensor board. They just need to scan this card here. And the information will come that the student has entered the school, and when they will leave the school, they need to scan this card again. Then the information will come that students have exited the school. And sir, with accordance to this, the message will also go to the parents that your student is present or absent, or he has left the school and at what time. And
what new did you learn while preparing this project?
Good morning, sir. I am Sarthak Sharma, and while making this project, I learned a few things. That was connecting these circuits to make the solar tracker. These circuits have been designed in such a way that as soon as sunlight will be tracked by the solar sensors, the solar panel will move. This will provide solar energy for the residential buildings over here. And so another thing I learned that how to convert solar energy into chemical energy to power this boat over here. As soon as I put the torch on the solar panel here, the solar energy will be converted to the chemical energy inside the battery, and then it will power the motor inside that will run the boat.
If you had to explain your project in just 3 words, what would that be?
My name is Ankur Raj. That would be futuristic, developed, and a good environment friendly.
What scientists do you think would be more interested in your work?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anmol Shankar. I am from class 10A. I will say that the scientists who will be more interested in this would be APJ Abdul Kalam, because this is related to development of our nation. And I think there's only one scientist who was always ready to give his best for our nation, and that was APJ Abdul Kalam.
What problems does your project try to solve?
The problem that are faced majorly in the defense sector, like it is a radar system that solves the problem of detecting the enemies that are there. This shows whether the obstacle is and at what distance it is present. Like right now it's showing the green color because there is none of the obstacle between. If there any obstacle comes, then it turns red. That is the thing that it solves.
Nice.
My name is Nishtha Shankar and I have made a project on sustainable development. In this economy where our resources are fast depleting, we need sustainable methods have to be adopted so that these resources can be saved for the future. So I have made a project which will conserve the rainwater and replenish the groundwater resources, as well as use the water efficiently for agriculture, and also make use of the greenhouse gases efficiently with the help of a greenhouse, and save the soil resources with the help of strip cropping that will allow the plants to take up the nutrients efficiently.
My name is Adiba Shai. My project demonstrates spinal reflex. When a hand touches any sharp object or burning object, then it automatically withdraws itself. Due to this, we are able to work with anything, because if accidentally we get hurt and if we do not have a spinal reflex, then automatically our hand will not withdraw, which will cause in a lot of injuries and it will deteriorate health.
मिस्टर मुरलीधर शुक्ला हुआ। मैं बांकीपुर राजकीय बालिका उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय से अपने विद्यालय के छात्राओं को यहाँ पर लेकर के जो सेंट जेवियर्स हाई स्कूल में गांधी मैदान में जो एग्जीबिशन लगा हुआ है साइंस का, बच्चों को दिखाने के लिए मैं यहाँ लाया हूँ। यहाँ बच्चों ने जिस तरह से हार्ड वर्क करके आज के साइंस के दुनिया में टेक्नोलॉजी के विषय में दिखाने का प्रयास किया है, बहुत ही सराहनीय है। जितनी भी प्रशंसा की जाए वह बहुत ही कम है। इनके हुनर को देख करके हम आश्चर्यचकित हैं कि इस प्रकार इन्होंने इतना कड़ी मेहनत करके परिश्रम कर कर के और इस प्रकार के मुकाम को पाया है। मैं बहुत दिल से कृतज्ञ हूँ और सेंट जेवियर्स विद्यालय के शिक्षक छात्राओं को और प्राचार्य महोदय को, फादर को मैं दिल से कृतज्ञ हूँ, धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि इस प्रकार के प्रोग्राम का आयोजन किया गया और एक सरकारी विद्यालय के छात्राओं को यहाँ दिखाया गया, जिससे हमारे विद्यालय के छात्राएं लाभान्वित हो रही हैं। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। बहुत धन्यवाद।
बांकीपुर गवर्नमेंट गर्ल्स सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल।
सो आपको यहाँ पर आकर कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत आइडियाज़ मिल रहे हैं हम लोग को। हम लोग भी ऐसा बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे। यहाँ के आइडियाज़ बहुत ही अच्छे लगे हैं हम लोग को, और भी बहुत कुछ यहाँ पे सीखने के लिए मिला है। जैसे कि बहुत सारे डेवलपमेंट्स हम लोग ला सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला है हम लोग को।
और यहाँ पर बहुत सारा चीज़ भी सीखे, जैसे प्लांट ये सब के बारे में, फैक्ट्री सब के बारे में, आग लग जाता है तो कैसे ये होता है। बहुत सारा अच्छा चीज़ सीखे जो हम लोग भी कर सकते हैं आगे जाकर।
प्रिया कुमारी हूँ। यहाँ का मुझे हर एक चीज़ बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। मैंने चंद्रयान 3 देखा, हाइड्रो पावर कैसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करता है, मैंने बहुत कुछ यहाँ पर सीखा। यहाँ के बच्चे ने हम लोगों को बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किया। थैंक यू फॉर ऑल दिस। सेंट जेवियर स्कूल को मैं थैंक यू करती हूँ और यहाँ के बच्चों को भी थैंक यू बोलती हूँ। थैंक यू।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों का यहाँ आने के लिए और समय देने के लिए। धन्यवाद।